Hey creators, in this video I'll show you how to set up alerts for Kickstarter projects so you never miss a launch or update. First of all, go to kickstarter.com and log into your account, or you can download it from the Play Store or App Store, and make sure to sign it with using Google or Facebook account. After you have done that, find a project, browse Kickstarter or search for a project you are interested in following. Click open the project page. After this is the recommended page that you like. You can search the pages that you like from here. You can use the category to filter. You can use games, food, fashion, dance, craft, which you are interested. Then click to the open the project page. If you like that page, open that page. Then on the project page, look for the remind me button near the back this project option. Click it and start. Kickstarter will save the project and notify you before the campaign ends. Here you will see the remind me button near the back this project option. Click it and Kickstarter will notify you when the campaign ends. Then to manage your alerts, click your profile. After you have gone to your profile, go to the reminder section. You can now remove projects or adjust notification anytime. You can adjust from here, and that's it. Now you can get timely alerts for all your favorite Kickstarter projects. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.